Thank you for viewing this Honda Jazz X demonstrator. It's a 1.4 petrol EX model CVT transmission. It's finished in metallic black paint with alloy wheels. It's got a very spacious interior, large boot area with 60-40 split rear magic seats. It's a top spec with CVT gearbox, single CD player and climate control. It has on steering wheel controls with Bluetooth and cruise control, and it's got a lovely panoramic roof. If you would like to arrange a test drive, then please do give us a call here at Blade Honda in Chippenham on 01249 448 446. We look forward to hearing